Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Today I want to improve my English speaking skills.
That's great. What topic would you like to learn?
I often hear people using can and may. Can you explain them to me?
Yes, I can. They are very common words in English conversations.
Wonderful. Can we start with can?
Of course, can is usually used to talk about ability, permission, and possibility.
What do you mean by ability?
Ability means something a person is able to do.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, I can drive a car.
That means you know how to drive a car, right?
Exactly.
I can ride a bicycle.
That's another good example.
Can birds fly?
Yes, they can.
Can fish swim?
Of course, they can.
Can elephants climb trees?
No, they can't.
This seems easy.
Yes, it is.
Can I make a sentence?
Yes, you can.
I can speak a little English.
Excellent sentence.
Thank you. Can you speak Hindi?
Yes, I can.
Can your friends speak English?
Some of them can and some of them can't.
Interesting. What is another use of can?
We can also use can for permission.
Really?
Yes, for example, can I use your pen?
And the answer can be, yes, you can.
Exactly.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
Can I open the window?
Yes, you can.
Can I ask another question?
Certainly, you can.
Sometimes teachers say, may I come in? Why don't they say, can I come in?
Good question. Both are used, but may I come in is more polite and formal.
So, may is used for polite permission.
Correct.
Let's talk about may.
Sure.
May I borrow your book?
Yes, you may.
May I use your phone for a minute?
Of course you may.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, you may.
It sounds more polite than can.
That's right.
Do people still use may in daily conversations?
Yes, especially in formal situations.
Such as schools and offices?
Exactly.
Can may be used for anything else?
Yes, it is also used to talk about possibility.
Can you explain that?
Sure, for example, it may rain today.
That means there is a possibility of rain.
Correct.
She may come to the party.
Very good.
He may be late.
Excellent.
The train may arrive soon.
That's right.
Let me try another sentence.
Go ahead.
My brother may visit us tomorrow.
Perfect.
I think I understand now.
Great. Let's practice with a longer conversation.
Okay,
Imagine we are planning a picnic.
sounds fun.
Can you bring some food?
Yes, I can.
Can your sister join us?
Yes, she can.
Can she cook?
Yes, she can cook very well.
That's wonderful.
Can you bring some drinks?
Yes, I can.
Can your friends come too?
Yes, they can.
May it rain tomorrow?
Yes, it may.
If it rains, we may cancel the picnic.
That's true.
We may also choose another day.
Good idea.
Now that we have learned the basic uses of can and may, I would like to understand them in more detail, because sometimes they seem very similar to me.
That's a very good question. Many learners think that can and may have the same meaning, but there are important differences between them, especially when we talk about permission and possibility.
I often hear people say, can I come in? And sometimes I hear, may I come in? Both sentences seem to ask for permission. What is the real difference?
Both sentences are correct, but may I come in is considered more polite and formal. If you are talking to a teacher, manager, or someone you respect, may sounds better.
So, if I am talking to my friend, can I say, can I borrow your pen?
Yes, absolutely. In everyday conversations with friends and family, people often use can instead of may because it sounds more natural and relaxed.
Does that mean I should never use may with my friends?
Not at all. You may use may with your friends if you want to sound extra polite, but in most casual conversations, can is more common.
I think I understand the permission part. However, I am still confused about possibility. How can I know whether I should use can or may when talking about something that might happen?
That's another excellent question. Generally, may is used when we want to express a possibility. For example, it may rain this evening means there is a chance of rain.
Can I say, it can rain this evening?
You can, but the meaning becomes slightly different. It may rain this evening talks about a specific possibility today, while it can rain in this region during summer talks about a general possibility or capability.
That difference is interesting. So, may is usually used for specific possibilities, and can is often used for general possibilities.
Exactly. That's a simple way to remember it.
Let me try a few examples. My brother may visit us tomorrow.
Perfect. That sentence shows a possible future event.
How about, students can make mistakes while learning English?
Very good. That sentence talks about a general possibility because any student is capable of making mistakes.
I think I am starting to see the difference now. Can you explain why can is also used for ability?
Certainly. When we say, I can swim, we are talking about a skill or ability that we possess. The word may cannot normally be used in that situation.
So, I cannot say, I may swim if I want to tell someone that swimming is my skill.
Correct. I may swim means there is a possibility that you will swim in the future. It does not describe your ability.
That's a very important difference. One small word can completely change the meaning of a sentence.
Exactly. That is why understanding context is so important in English.
Can you give me more examples of ability?
Of course, she can speak English fluently. He can solve difficult math problems. They can play the guitar very well.
I noticed that all those sentences talk about something people are able to do.
That's right. Whenever you talk about skills, talents, or abilities, can is usually the correct choice.
What if I want to ask permission in a very polite way at school?
Then may is usually the best option. For example, may I ask a question? Or may I leave the classroom for a few minutes?
Those sentences sound much more respectful than using can.
Yes, they do. That's why many teachers prefer hearing may in formal situations.
Sometimes I hear weather reporters say, there may be heavy rain tomorrow. Why don't they say, there can be heavy rain tomorrow?
Because they are talking about a specific possibility for tomorrow. In that situation, may is more natural.
So if there is uncertainty about a future event, may is often the better choice.
Exactly. Whenever something might happen, may is commonly used.
Can you summarize everything we discussed about these two words?
Certainly. Use can for ability, informal permission, and general possibility. Use may for polite permission and specific possibility.
That's a very simple rule to remember.
Yes, if you keep practicing these patterns in daily conversations, you will start using can and may naturally without even thinking about the grammar.
Thank you. This discussion about can and may has cleared many of my doubts, and now I feel much more confident about using them correctly.
I'm happy to hear that. The more examples you read, hear, and speak, the better you will understand the difference between can and may.